Hi, my name is Roxana Kaus, and I am Head of Experience Strategy at Bloomreach and a merchandising expert for many years in the e-commerce space. My role is all about enabling e-commerce professionals to get the most out of Bloomreach and taking their merchandising strategy to the next level. Today, I'd like to show you how in just a few minutes, you can visually merchandise within the Bloomreach Discovery dashboard. Let's dive in. Within the Bloomreach platform, let's dive into merchandising the grid to drive product discovery or awareness. From there, we can boost, drag, drop, lock, or block products in place, all to fit your unique goals and look and feel of your category or search results page. And we're all set. The best part is we can preview those changes to see exactly what your customers will see when they land on the page. Well, that went fast. With Bloomreach, you won't be held back by managing your merchandising via a spreadsheet or number sequencing, leaving you more time to get creative and focus on other strategic priorities. Thanks for watching. You can catch more helpful tips and events from myself and the Bloomreach team in the description below. See you next time.